Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from analog electronics in the year 2000. Okay, so the question is the lower. Consider the following statement: the lower cutoff frequency of an RC coupled CE amplifier. Okay, RC coupled CE amplifier depends on. The question is. The lower cutoff frequency of RC coupled CE amplifier depends on input and output coupling capacitors, emitter bypass capacitor, and junction capacitor. So before discussing going through the option, let we draw a RC coupled CE amplifier. Okay, two stage amplifier we will draw. This is the CE amplifier with RC coupled, and this is the input capacitor C in, and this is the bypass capacitor. Okay, CE, and this is the coupling capacitor CC of another stage. Again the same, I am not drawing again another stage. Okay, this is RC, this is RC, and this is RE. Right now, see, there is two cutoff frequency. One is lower cutoff frequency here asked, lower cutoff frequency, and another is higher cutoff frequency. We discuss both cutoff frequency in this video, because in another question you also get the higher cutoff frequency of RC coupled CE amplifier depends on. So we will discuss both. Okay, cutoff frequency. Right now, lower cutoff frequency depends on first input capacitor, that is C in, which is here, this one. Second, coupling capacitor, CC, this one. And third, emitter bypass capacitor. Okay, emitter bypass capacitor, that is CE, this one. Right, and these three coupling capacitor, actually lower cutoff frequency depends on these three capacitor. Now higher cutoff frequency depends on first parasitic capacitance, second junction capacitance, and third gain in active region. Okay, so higher cutoff frequency depends on these three parameters: parasitic capacitance, junction capacitance, and gain in active region. So now just show the option. First option is input and output coupling capacitors. Okay, they ask lower cutoff frequency, so lower cutoff frequency depends on input capacitor and output coupling capacitor. Okay, so one is right. And emitter bypass capacitor, yes, it's also depend on emitter bypass capacitor. And third, junction capacitor. Now junction capacitance, higher cutoff frequency depends on junction capacitance. Okay, so lower cutoff frequency does not depend on junction capacitance, so 3.3 is wrong. So the option is 1 and 2 is correct. So option C is correct for that question. Okay, so C is the right answer of that question. The lower cutoff frequency of RC coupled CE amplifier depends on input and output coupling capacitor, and emitter bypass capacitor. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Okay, thank you.